Hi, my name is Mr. Singh, and in the media option, students are exposed to story writing through storyboards and creating a movie production through editing software. Right, students are exposed to a range of equipment, starting off with the basic video cameras, and as they progress, they get to use the more advanced software and equipment that are available out there. Students use editing software such as Adobe Premiere Elements, and as they progress, once again, they start to use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the ultimate professional software available for editing videos. They get to design a storyboard with a clear aims and objectives of the movie that they are about to create. Right, students' work is ultimately evaluated on a TV, and they get to view their end product, peer evaluate it, and if they're lucky enough, they could upload it onto a YouTube site.
Why did you choose media?
I chose media because I wanted to form editing skills for future use.
Last year, media was really interesting for me. It brought out the creativity in me, and it was actually something that interested me in school. I learned a lot of new skills like how to hold a camera, how to fly a drone, and how to edit things, and just improve my creativity and make videos.
Flying a drone is part of media. Media is exciting!